Welcome to our video on data science and data analytics. Today, we'll explore the similarities and differences between these two important fields. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what sets them apart and how they complement each other. Let's get started. First, let's define each term. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It involves programming, statistics, and machine learning to analyze and interpret complex data. On the other hand, data analytics focuses specifically on analyzing raw data to make conclusions about that information. It often involves the use of tools and techniques to identify trends, patterns, and relationships within the data. Next, let's look at the skills required for each field. Data scientists typically need skills in programming, Python, R, machine learning, statistical analysis, data wrangling, data visualization, and data analysts usually require skills in data cleaning, statistical analysis, data visualization, Excel, Tableau, SQL, reporting. Now, let's explore the use cases for data science and data analytics. Data science is used in predictive modeling, recommendation systems, and natural language processing. For example, it helps in predicting customer behavior, creating personalized recommendations, and analyzing text data. Data analytics, however, is often used for business intelligence, market analysis, and operational efficiency. It helps businesses understand historical data, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Quick quiz. Which field would you use to predict future sales trends? Option A, data science. Option B, data analytics. That's right. Predicting future sales trends would typically involve data science because it uses predictive modeling techniques. What about career paths? Data scientists often work as machine learning engineers, data engineers, or research scientists. Their roles involve creating advanced models and algorithms to solve complex problems. Data analysts might work as business analysts, BI analysts, or data consultants. Their roles focus on analyzing data sets, generating reports, and providing actionable insights to stakeholders. We can group activities like data mining, data forecasting, and similar tasks under the broad field of data science. This field involves identifying patterns in large data sets, developing machine learning models, and deploying AI applications. Data analytics is a specific branch within data science, focused on querying, interpreting, and visualizing data. The practice of data science is iterative, where scientists form hypotheses and run experiments to achieve desired outcomes with the data available. This iterative process is known as the data science lifecycle. Let's discuss the tools and technologies used in each field. Data scientists use tools like Jupyter Notebooks, TensorFlow, and they often work with big data technologies and advanced statistical software. Data analysts frequently use tools such as Excel, SQL, and Power BI. Their focus is on data manipulation, visualization, and reporting. Let's quickly summarize. While data science and data analytics share some common ground, they serve different purposes and require different skill sets. Data science is about creating models to predict and automate decisions, whereas data analytics is about interpreting data to make informed business decisions. For more tutorials and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update from us.